Underage girl forced to have sex with Prince Andrew, U.S. court document claims. What happens now? Can he be charged? 10 quid. He is sweating right now. Can't believe he died of COVID next week. She was raped. Can anyone clarify if he will actually ever be subjected to legal repercussions, or is he immune? Honestly asking because I'm not sure. Please keep in mind that an underage girl or boy cannot legally consent, so whether they were forced or otherwise convinced to have sex with any of these adults is not pertinent. It's still rape, it's still child abuse. And anyone who knew, didn't engage but also didn't report is also guilty of enabling it to continue. This is the best TLDR I could make, original, https://www. theguardian.com/uknews/2020/Jules/31/ underage girl forced to have sex with Prince Andrew. US court document. Jeffrey Epstein, reduced by 80%. I'm a bot. The sex offender Jeffrey Epstein allegedly tried to gather incriminating material against Prince Andrew by forcing an underage girl to have sex with him, according to newly released court documents. A friend of Prince Andrew said, the U.S. Federal Appeals Court said in 2019 these allegations should be treated with extreme caution. Allegations are not the same as facts, which is the essential premise on which justice works. Let's see if these allegations stand up, because precious few about the Duke do. Where's the proof? Similar allegations about Prince Andrew having sex with an underage girl were ordered to be struck from court records in 2015 in the civil case. Extended summary, http://np. reddit.com/r/auditl/comment/I1b5h7/underage_girl_have_with_prince/FAQ, http://np. reddit.com/r/auditl/comment/31b9fm/FAQ_auditldr_bot/version 2. 02-512609TL, DRS so far. Feedback, http://np. reddit.com/message/compose, 2=%23 auditldr PMs and comments are monitored, constructive feedback is welcome. Top keywords, Epstein #1 sex #2 Prince #3 claim #4 Andrew #5. Why is it so hard for the titles to say Prince Andrew raped underage girl? Edit, because I am being accused of libel for saying this, let me clarify my proposed statement/title for this article, Prince Andrew accused of raping a child. Factually the truth based on court documents where he is literally accused of raping a child. It's pretty sickening to know the court system has all sorts of information like this that just gets sealed and put away for good most the time. I'm 100% behind innocent until proven guilty, but there is so much unbelievably evil shit that is unknown to the world, all because some people can get some favors from just one or two people to protect them and then the entire system allows it. His mom is going to cancel his birthday party again if this keeps up. Sadly, you know the wealthy and powerful can get away with virtually anything. The laws and rules don't apply to the same to them. Over and over this is proven. I think there's an error at the end of the article, it reads Epstein killed himself, but it should read Epstein killed himself. Grammar aside, fuck them all. The trade of him for the lady that killed the boy by driving on the wrong side of the road is still open. Not a single mention of Mike Cernovic, the guy that used his own money and his life to get these files reopened. Epstein killed himself last summer while awaiting trial on sex trafficking charges. Did he though? Deleted. Epstein allegedly sexually trafficked the girl to powerful people to ingratiate himself with them for business, personal, political and financial gain, as well as to obtain potential blackmail information. They included numerous prominent American politicians, powerful business executives, foreign presidents, a well-known prime minister, and other world leaders. Blackmailing world leaders. I'm speculating, but this sounds like something an organization would carry out, either criminal or state intelligence, rather than a private individual. What's the point of being wealthy if you can't have sex with underage girls? /s/. Has the Queen had any comments on this? I thought the royals were our betters. /s. She was recruited from Mar-a-Lago. She performed sex acts at Mar-a-Lago. Why is not a single headline today pointing out that next to Dessau Mar-a-Lago is mentioned repeatedly? You know, the current Southern White House. Prince Andrew, the child rapist, is alleged as having forced an underage girl to have sex with him. Sounds like something Prince Andrew, the child rapist, would do, considering he's a child rapist. Edit, if it wasn't clear, Prince Andrew raped a child. So Epstein coerced the underage women into having sexual intercourse with Prince Andrew. Said female was 17, and that's the age of consent in UK and New York. And that's the reason why the word rape is not included. Also, Bill Clinton seems to be implicated as well. Forced to have sex. I feel like there used to be a word for this. Rope. Rap. Crepe. What does it say about Bill Clinton? Fergie isn't looking so crazy now. To point out and clarify the timeline, newly divorced prince rapes a girl about the same age as his own daughters. Removed. But don't worry, the Queen is on top of this. Just to clarify, I'm talking about protecting the monarchy, screw the peasants. Oh wait, that's how this whole thing started? Underage girl forced to have sex? You mean a child was fucking raped? So why is this not showing at all on BBC News? What the actual fuck? Interesting that a prince can get shit for this, but the accusations against Trump years ago barely made news. Why is he the only name that keeps coming up? Why aren't there new names being uncovered? While I'd normally be the first to point out that this court document is itself a record of an accusation, not evidence of it. And yet the speed with which the royal family literally kicked Andrew out when the allegations were made public kind of works against him. It's like they said, we told you if this shit ever came up, you're out, and you're out. Epstein killed himself, was murdered last summer while awaiting trial on sex trafficking charges. Fix that for them. The rich steal, kill, and rape with impunity. Meanwhile, I can't even ride in a car as a passenger without the driver being pulled over so the cop can see my tattoos. Mind if I see your ID while I'm here? Just want to check a few things. Cool ink, by the way. Alright, but how can we trust this article? I mean, it says Epstein killed himself last summer while awaiting trial on sex trafficking charges. Kinda loses some credibility there. /s, sorta. Hey, is Trump mentioned anywhere in these court documents? Oddly, we can discuss the prince here, but if we mention US politicons involved, they remove those posts. If Prince Andrew does recover from this, I doubt he will be able to work in public again, if at all. Family rejection is the least of his worries. Ghislaine Maxwell is hiding a lot, and so are many others. Yet most of these high-class people are dirty and use money for illegal activities. No way. I won't be surprised if it's found out that the reason Dumpy is sucking Putin's dick is because Putin may very possibly have proof that Dumpy also may have done something similar. It's long stretch of a theory. Who knows?